Hey guys, good evening. Good evening, ma. Online people, am I audible to you? Can you please confirm the chat? Yeah, na. What road? Chalo, ma. Open your Jupyter notebooks. Today I went to Dr. Reddy's to give workshop. I came directly here. By 4 o'clock only I came. And I'm doing office work, my office work. The workshop is very, very good. Every company they wants to learn AI. Every company, they wants to migrate to AI. And every company, they wants to train their employees to AI. You are in which class, Ra? Data science and मालूम है रेड्डी सर अच्छा still anyone is not able to do the Python code means there are two reasons that you are not practicing regularly, that you know how much you are practicing. I don't want to discuss about that. There are two reasons. If you are not able to get the Python code, you're not able to get the Python code still now means the number one reason is you are not practicing. You are not practicing. You're not practicing. In our class, before, some people doesn't know Python at all. Some people doesn't know Python at all. But now they are able to do code. But now they are able to do code. In the same similar way, some people not able to do the code. Not able to do the code. You are started your journey in the same way only. You don't know, I don't know. But after 15 days, you are able to do the code. I am not able to do the code. Then what is the problem? Number one is lack of practice. Number one is what? Lack of practice. Practice makes man's perfect. There's the one thing is there. And the second one is you might not able to get logics. You might not able to get logic. Able to write the logic. Write the logic. So this is a very, very common. Not able to write the logic is very, very common, ma. Very common issue. Don't take this as a serious now. Don't consider this as a serious issue and don't degrade yourself. Don't lose the confidence. Okay. Logic is different to writing code is different to. Are you able to write the code without error or not? That's the question number one. Question number two. Yes, I am doing the errors, but are you able to understand that error or not? That's the question number two. If you successfully do means you are able to write the logic. That is the second step. This is we discuss in the starting class itself only. The expectation is what? Able to write the code without mistakes. Second questions. If mistakes happened, then able to understand or not? Able to understand. And last third one is what? Able to get the logic. Able to get the logic. That is the thing. So first one is same similar only. You are learning a car driving, ma. You are learning a car driving. So first day only I should send you into the Koti, Koti Bazara. Huh? I should send you Sultan Bazara first day only. That is only logic. How to drive the car in the Sultan Bazar gully. That is called what? Implement the logic. First day will not send. First day will give what? Straight road. No one will be there. That is. Then slowly, slowly you will understand where I need to apply brake, where I need to apply gear, and where I need to slow down, how to turn my car and everything. That will learn it. That is what happened. Second thing. And once you perfect, then you will enter into where? Sultan Bazar Gully. मालूम है सुल्तान बाजार किधर होता? Koti, Koti. That is. Bike also will not go in that. Okay. Forget about car. So that is. So that's the way to do. If you are not practicing, you are not able to get it, ma. But if you are able to practice, still you are feeling struggle, please talk to me. Please talk to me. But don't say like just lie. Sir, I'm practicing, but I'm not able to get. Show me your practice first. Show me your practice. What you have done? Explain me one code. Why you are not able to explain that code? Why you are not able to understand that code? Still I'm worrying about the student when the people are saying that I'm not able to do code. How can you know that you are not able to do code? What is the reason? How do you know that? How do you know that you are not able to perform? You tell me that. Whether thinking process is correct or not, I will tell you. You explain me. So this is A is equal to 10, no? This is B is equal to 20, A plus B is equal to 30. This also I'm not able to understand why. Talk to me, explain the code. Number equal to 20, I want to apply even number, I want to apply modulus operator. Modulus means remainder equal to 2 equal to 0. That is, I'm not understanding. Explain me why you're not able to understand that. Why your mind is not able to think that. This is a gender equal to male. When gender equal to male, I'm andar jana, I need to take the age number. Age hai to senior citizen likhna. That you are not able to understand. Then explain me why you are not able to understand. Talk to me. This is the logic. My mind is not able to accept that logic. Why? Why your mind is not able to tell that logic? What happens to your mind? That is, I will clean your mind. I will put that something in your mind. How to think, how to understand. That is. Talk to me. If you feel that thing struggle, talk to me. Because without Python, you can't do anything. Without Python, you can't do anything. Keep that in mind. Python is very, very important. If your friend is doing, suppose I am practicing 30 minutes. You need to practice 3 hours. You really spend the 3 hours today? You spend it? Question yourself. Omkars are practicing 2 hours. Then I need to practice 6 hours. Do you really practice 6 hours? Question yourself. That means, my friend, because Omkar sir is 12 years of experience, 12 years of ahead than you. You are only 2 months also not ahead. You're just 2 months baby. 2 months baby will run, huh? 12 years guy? Huh? Will fly also. If you leave it. This is the difference hota. That's why don't compare to anyone. पहले start करो. Slowly, slowly आता. But this is how you choose this future. So you should crawl it. You should grab it. That's all I can say. ढूंढ ले तो भगवान भी मिलेगा. You know that? Python will not come. Python will come. That is. If you want to try to identify that, Bhagavan also will milta. Bhagavan milta, Python will not come. क्या बात कर रहे? Python is very easy, ma. Don't try to search Bhagavan, okay? पहले Python learn करो. Python session number? Talk to me, ma. Talk to me. If you want, I will come by 5 o'clock only for you. We'll sit together. We'll talk together. We'll go for a cup of tea. We'll talk it. Okay. I am there. Omkars are there with you. Don't worry about that. Don't ask today tea. Okay. One day we'll go. Session number kita 12 functions. Functions. Machine learning also not covered, ma. Shanti, for loop is not covered. For loop not covered, while loop not covered, strings not covered, list not covered, tuple not covered, dictionary not covered, machine learning not covered, NLP not covered. It will cover. Okay. Follow me. Okay. Not follow that any other thing. Okay. Follow me, ma. I know what I am teaching. Okay, Shanti. Functions के बाद for loop होता. For loop के बाद while loop होता. We are going in the order wise. So don't worry about that. Instead of that, functions not teach means you need to ask when will function will cover. Okay, framing the question. Framing the question. Suppose your manager is there. Manager is asking that when will task will complete. We'll ask the question. Immediately we will say that wait, I will complete. Wait, I will complete means you are scolding your manager, or you are saying on the face with on your manager. You need to say that what? Kindly wait for few minutes. I will cover. There is a lot of difference is there. Okay. There are a lot of difference is there. If you don't know, ask me when you will cover. Don't say that you are not covered because we are not started. It's only 15 days only classes happened. Okay, now online people. Chalo, functions. We already taken one code, ma. Suppose you are doing the tax calculation code. Tax calculation code. Tax calculation code. In the tax calculation code, you are entering a income. You are entering a income. So we call 10,000 rupees. And your tax is equal to suppose 20%. Tax equal 20%. This is a tax percentage, ma. Tax percentage. And tax amount equal to income into tax percentage divided by 100. That's called tax amount. Tax amount is equal to 2000. And this we are taking here, what we are taking, ma? Eval of input of enter the number. Enter the number. And your tax percentage, eval of input of enter the tax percentage. Now here I am taking that my salary is equal 50,000 and my tax is equal 10%. Then how much I need to pay, ma? 5,000 rupees. Look at the board, ma. Look at the board. This is how many lines of code, ma? 4 lines of code. Suppose your organization, you are working on an organization called HCL company. In HCL, 100 employees are there. How many employees are there? 100 employees. So each employee tax you need to calculate. So 100 employees into 4 lines. How many lines chahiye? 400 lines. That 400 lines is a very, very bad idea. Why? Because for every 100 lines, how many lines are repeating? 4 lines only repeating. How many lines are repeating? 4 lines. So that's why people will create this 4 lines as a function and they will use that function to all 100 members. So now this 4 lines is only using for how many members now? 100 members. So now function is ready. Function is ready and the function is we are calling for how many members? 100 members. So 100 lines is enough. Instead of 400 lines, we are reading how many lines now? 100 lines. That is the use of the function. This is called reuse of the code. What we call? Reuse of the code. Chalo, write the bullet point. Function means reuse of the code. Reuse of the code. If same piece of code same piece of code wants to use multiple times, we can create a function wrapper. We can create a function wrapper for that code piece, for that piece of code. For that piece of code, then we can call the function our purpose, for our task. Functions is the utmost important, ma. We are not teaching for loop because we want to implement this function for everywhere. Function is the generic one. Like try and exception. For everything we are using that is also generic one. Now, condition statements is not a generic one. Whenever you require condition, then only you need to use one. But function you can require anywhere. You can use anywhere. Functions means reuse of the code. If same piece of code wants to use multiple times, we can create a function wrapper for that piece of code. Then we can call the function for our task. Here we will learn so many things, ma. Functions with arguments, functions without first. Functions without arguments, functions with arguments, functions default arguments, functions default argument, and local variable versus global variable, functions with return statement, and functions inside functions, and quarks, keyword arguments. Every day you need to practice, ma. The world is in the transition mode. The old IT model is not working at all. Okay, now the world technology is transition mode, ma. Everyone is run behind about on the AI. That's why we started on the first day itself in the Gen AI classes only from last week onwards. Once you are safely landed in Python, I got some confident. Then I included you. Every day you need to practice the Python. Functions without arguments, function with arguments, function default arguments, local variable versus global variable, function with return statement, functions inside functions, quarks means what, ma? Keyword arguments. Bolo, ma, what are the titles, bolo? First one is what? Loudly. Functions. Bolo ra. La, sorry. Let me go chorus. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Start. Functions without a with a अरे that this one bolo. Functions. Next, 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 next. Very good, very good, very good. Amiya, why this code is coming, ma? NumPy and pip model predicting test, argmax predictor labels. Sorry, sir, wrongly sent. Very good, but wrongly sent, but to correct person only. Good side. Functions. Online people, you are not saying. I don't know why you are not saying. When I ask you to say means you will say, Nara. Online people, I can't hear, ma. Even the unmute also I can't hear. Here the connections are like that in the classroom. You know, if I want to unmute you, if I want to listen you, how much drama I need to happen here? 1, 2 connections I need to remove. And that also, when I talk with you, I can't listen your words. Again, I need to connect it. If I want to talk, I need to remove the connection. That is the setup. Beautiful setup is there here. Okay, that's why generally I will not unmute. Chalo, syntax. It start with the definition, ma. Definition, DEF. DF in which color? Green color అయితే at the end. Colon next. Loudly ra. Keyword starting, ending what will come? Colon will come. Then colon will come. Next what will come? Last you are not saying. I don't know why you are not saying. Bolo, given green color keyword is the last क्या था? Loudly ra. Voice loud. Bolo. Colon next. Don't shout ra. Say. So definition and your function name. Here function name. The function name is same as to your variable name. No spaces and no front numbers. The same concept. Function name. Bracket open, bracket close. We already know. Function means क्या required ma? Parenthesis. Do you remember? Bound method. Function. We discussed there. Do you remember? Means क्या चाहिए? Brackets. Then colon. Then enter. When you enter, what will come? Indentation will come generally. Then start, write your code here. Start, write your code here. If you observe very, very carefully, if condition, indentation, try and exception, indentation, functions, indentation. Indentation is very, very important. You should not confuse in the indentations. बहुत practice करना. Indentation. You should not, how you are going enter inside, how you are going coming outside, you need to practice it. That's why I'm giving always one logic. What is that logic? Whenever I have a colon is there, what will come? Indentation will come. That's all. Now this is the syntax. Let's create one piece of code. Definition, greet. Definition, greet, colon, enter. Definition ma. My function name is called greet ma. My function name is what? Greet. Next what is there? Colon. Bracket open. ह्यूमन बीइंग जैसा नहीं मत सोच मत. पाइथन जैसा. क्या लिखना? पाइथन ओनली. पाइथन क्या लिखना? ब्रैकेट ओपन, ब्रैकेट क्लोज, कोलन. नाउ प्रिंट गुड इवनिंग. Good evening. Function is ready. That's all. Simple. Print good evening. Now run it. Run it ma. Run na. Answer will not come. Don't worry, answer will not come. Function is ready kind of means you are hiring a person. You are hiring a person at office. You are hiring a person at home. That suppose I hired one person. That person is my car driver. Even if I hire means when I need to call him first. इधर आ जाओ. I need to बाहर जाना. Then car ले लो. Correct है? So क्या करना उसको? बुलाओ पहले. क्या करना? Call करो. What is his name? What is his name? Greet. His name is what? Greet. So greet को बुलाओ. Greet को बुलाओ. Greet इधर आ जाओ. Don't type इधर आ जाओ. Okay, just to greet only. Now run it. What is coming? This you know very well. What is that meaning? Brackets are missed. Inside bracket anything is there? Huh? No. So don't give anything. Now run it. Now good evening आता. Simple concept. Function को बुलाओ पहले. Function को बुलाओ. Definition greet. Print good evening. Create the function and call it. Now look at the board. Number 1 equal to eval of input of. Write the normal code ma addition code लिखो. Do it fast. Enter the number 1. Do it ma. N2 is equal to eval of input of. Enter the number 2. N1 is equal to eval of input of. Enter the number 1. Don't look at the board. This you already know. Addition equal to N1 plus N2. Print the addition of N1 and N2 is add. This you know very well. 100 times we written this code. 20, 30. Understand the procedure. The rules you should understand first. Now look at the board. We'll create a function on this. Function पहले क्या बोलो बोलो. DEF definition. Next function name. बताओ function name. Addition huh? Addition. Function name should not be equal to any variable name. Rule number 1. Don't give add because you already given one add na. Rule number 1 what ma? Function name should be alag. Function name should not be any variable name. Bolo again. Rule number 1. Function name should not be your file name. What is the file name? Session-12 functions. Bolo again. Function name should not be file name. And third one, function name should not be any package name like import random, import math, like that. Bolo ma, third one is what? Bolo all three bolo. First one, rule number 1 kya? Function name should not be any variable. Rule number 2. Function name should not be any file name. Rule number 3. One of the silly mistake, don't give two functions same name. Okay, there are two persons are there. Omkar. कौन आता? ओमकार को बोला तो दोनों आता. Are you getting what I'm saying? Common sense. Now, okay, def addition. Next क्या करना? बोलो. नेक्स्ट क्या करना, नेक्स्ट क्या करना, हाँ now copy the code, copy the code. When you copy the code, what is the problem? हाँ इंडेंटेशन मिस होता, क्या करना, पहले N1 ले लो, then copy करो, then tab करो. This we practice yesterday. Those who doesn't practice yesterday, they will not able to do today. That is your problem, not your friend problem. You should do that. Again I'm repeating. Definition, next name, addition, bracket open, bracket close, colon, and then we are taking this. We are next. We are copying that, enter tab. This is your original code. This original code under the which function? Addition, run karo. Now it will not give any answer. When it will give answer? Call it. When you give ma, call it. When I say call means people will forget the bracket. They will call only like this. Then क्या करना, brackets add करना, क्या करना, brackets add करना, bracket open, bracket close. Now first run, what is the first run ma? 20, 30 and last answer is equal to 50. Understood ma online people? Everyone write the proper code, keep in the wrapper like chocolate wrapper. Imagine it's like a wrapper. Under the wrapper what is there? Functions are very easy ma. Yeah Shanti, yes. Functions are very easy ma. Functions are very easy, dead easy. Just write the normal code, create the function, put into wrapper, usko call karo. But what is the rule number 1? Bolo. Function should not be variable name. Rule number 2. Function. Third one. Third one क्या रे चिन्ना? Very good. अरे एक problem is there रा. एक problem is there. Look at the board. Addition 1 I am giving. What I am giving? This time my function name is what? Addition 1. Always change the names, okay? Don't give the same name. You can write in a single line also. You can write in different line also. When you run in the same line, what will happen? Function will run. Immediately function will be called. We can able to see answers. We can able to see answers like this. 50, 30, 100. Simple. You can write in the same line. You can write in the different line. Same line means what happen? Defining, calling, happening in a single cell. Above one is what happening? Defining is another cell. Calling is another cell. That is up to you. That is up to you. And that function can call anytime. I hide my car driver. I can call him anytime, na? If he says that I will not come means, क्या करता? Remove करना. दूसरा को hire करो like that. He will say I will not come. When he will say I will not come, suppose you send him to Mumbai, and again you are calling, यार जल्दी जल्दी आ जाओ. We need to go Bangalore means he will come. Already I have given one task, na? That is called what? Star mark. Whenever you see star mark, don't give the any work. That is called kernel is busy. That we already learned that is. There is one more problem is there, Chinna. Now look at the board. You tell me this, okay? Addition 2. N111. Correct function or wrong function? Wrong function. What is the wrong here? What is the wrong here? N111 not defined. Not coming, na error. It is kind of I hear a fake experience guy. It doesn't have any experience. I hear my car driver. He never drive the car also. How can I know? How can I know you know the driver or not? How can I know, ra? First I need to call him, na. आ जाओ, car ले लो, गाड़ी ले लो. If he is able to do the गाड़ी, then he is correct. So here also you need to call, क्या करना पहले? Call करो उसको. Call करो, addition को call करो. Then addition is talented, not talented, will work out. So first line is working 30, second line is working 40. And next what happened? So when you define the function means it will never give the error. When it will give error? Bolo loudly, when it will give the error? Loudly, when it will give the error? When you call the function only. Very good. Rule number 1. Function name follows same variable name rules. Variable name rules. Function name should not be any variable names. बार बार कहना चाहिए मां, बार बार you need to say function name should not be any package name. Function name should not be your file name. When we define function, we will not able to identify error available or not. Error is there or not. In order to check the error, in order to check the code working part, first we need to call the function. Today hostel chicken, huh? Hostel. Vegetarian are? Bird flu, still? Vegetarian, huh? Then what you will eat in the restaurant? Dal, chapati. Huh? What is that? Paneer. That only. So in hostel, instead of chicken, what they will give for vegetarians? Paneer only. Arre baapre. Home food is always best, ma. But here in Papa, hostel people, they will not get home food, na. So sad. But you can enjoy hostel some days. I know after this, you might not enjoy the hostel days, Maybe this is the last in your entire life. This is the last classroom class. After this, you will get job. You will never attend any classroom. Then you will feel like that long ago, my last class taken by Omkar sir. Like that you will tell to your kids. And you will always say that, kya re, katam chindagi, will say that. Will tell to your kids. Like that. I met one employee. One employee is saying that my wife is pregnant, sir. Every day she is listening your classes. Internally, my kid also learning AI. Before birth only is learning AI. Now I am afraid about after coming out, he will say, kya re? Chalo, next. Now we will catch the error. Now we will catch the error. In order to catch the error, we need to apply kya karna? Try and accept. Now use case is apply the try and accept for entire function and apply the try and accept only inside function. Check it which is working, which is not working. Apply the try and exception for entire function. Use case number 1. Apply the try and exception for entire function and apply the try and exception only for inside function. Inside function means you need to write try here. Again, here also what will come? Indentation. Outside means you need to write try here. Again, what will come? Indentation. Colon hai to indentation. Andar jao. Do it. Let me know. Apply the try function for entire function. Apply the try only inside. You are applying try here, colon here, then copy paste, enter tab. Will go inside like this. Correct? Huh? Because colon hai to kya aata? Indentation. Follow that rule. Follow that rule, Chinna. Follow that rule. And apply try. And again copy paste. Enter karo. Where you are applying indentation. Indentation after the code should be have maintained what? Indentation, that is. Colon. Check it ma. Inside or outside? Chart disable. Hostel is very good, but food is not good. Inside outside? Inside outside? Both work? Outside only working? Inside should work. Both working? Outside also working? Addition 3 ले लो. Addition 4 ले लो. Okay, I'm writing here. try colon. Now, क्या करना? Tab. Okay na? Now accept. You need to exactly do like me ma. Accept. Follow. Accept. Exception as a print. How many are able to write this code? So you are no problem with indentations now? Okay. Chalo, now this is I am running here. I am calling the addition 3. Bracket open, bracket close. 30, 40. I am getting error. Error is not catching here. Error is not catching. Give the different function name, Chinna. That might be override. Give the different function name. Those who are feeling outside try and exception is working, give the different function name. Those who are feels outside try and exception is working, give the different functions. Okay, now try with the inside. Because that's over. That's why every time I ask you to give different name. Two functions should not be same name. I told you already. Every time you need to give different name. Okay na Chinna? Next to inside. अब बोलो inside बताओ. TRY colon क्या करना? बोलो. Then accept exception as a print e. This is the inside. Addition 4. I'm calling. Now 30, 40. It's catching now. So try and exception inside working, outside working. Loudly, last. Both. ఇట్లా రా ఇట్లా ఎవడో చెప్పింది బోత్ అన్నాడు కమ్ హియర్ ఎక్ బార్ ఇట్లా చిన్న హౌ బోత్ వర్కింగ్ ఫర్ యూ బోత్ వర్కింగ్ ఇన్సైడ్ వర్కింగ్ చెప్పురా బోత్ ఇన్సైడ్ హూ ఆర్ సేయింగ్ బోత్ కమ్ హియర్ ఐ వాంట్ టు సీ యువర్ కోడ్ రా ఐ వాంట్ టు సీ యువర్ కోడ్ both are working Ajay idhar how both is working I want to see I'm not denying you I want to see your code how it is working maybe you are right Ajay idhar चलो माँ I hope everyone now able to understand the indentation क्या रे शंबाजी हो गया ना indentation पक्का online people clear are indentations online people चलो now create the functions ma create the function for all our basic codes Sumit okay na completed create the functions ma फटाफट करो fast create the functions write a program ask the user enter a number find even or odd write a program ask the user both you write na good only if you write try and accept also good write a program ask the user enter two numbers find the greatest number write a program ask the user take one random number and take one user input number if both are match print one otherwise loss do it fast ma do it fast write a program of the user enough do it I don't want trouble you now only I have only 20 minutes time I'm pasting the Google Classroom. Today, how many are attended lab? Raise your hand. Lab. ज़्यादा attended हो गया. Attendance ले लिया? Very good, very good. This all will track. वो placement वो drive होता ना? You have seen drive attendance. Drive list. The नीचे data science company is coming. Have you seen or not? थोड़ा walls also देखो रे भाई. क्या होता है उधर उधर उधर? Today only. Even though if you are not able to get entry also, I will make your entry. When? Not after the completion. You need to practice the assignments. You need to practice the exam. You need to attend the exams. You need to attend the regular class. Omkar sir should feel this guy is really working. I want to give him to a chance. Because jobs are very, very less, na Chinna. I can't give to everyone job, na. I need to open one company. If I open one company, katam. 2 years पे shutter close हो जाता. I know that. See, only 63 members only given. 47. 22. Python basic questions only 22. ఎప్పుడు March 7th. Let's see. Assignment number कितना? Do it fast. Very, very easy assignment. Uploaded. Ma. Two input which did not enter the. It will catch. Ma. Yesterday Rajendra showed na same thing. Raju. Rajendra also same thing only. It will catch. You have tested yesterday. I'm coming. చిన్న వాటర్ కూడా పెట్టలేదు. Chalo, एक बार look at the board ma. I've seen everyone is calling the function. Instead of calling function outside, you are calling the function here ma. Like this, you are calling the function here. That is the wrong way to call. Look at the board ma, online people. Try and exception means a pura your code. That is your code. Then you need to call the function after that piece of code. The function main use is, even though you read 1000 lines of code also, then 1001 you will call the function. Not only here, the function you can call at any time, at anywhere. So don't write the function inside the try and exception. Calling the function is always outside ma. Online people following some people are writing functions here. Don't do like this ma. Not do it. Online people going good or anyone wants to discuss anything? Pranav, where is your code? 1 minute, Pranav. Pranav. Shanti, Bilal. This is the Pranav code. Pranav. Pranav code will check once. Working or not working. Absolutely fine. I'm thinking. 20, 30, 40 आंसर आ रहा है वेरी गुड बट थोड़ा राउंड ऑफ आ जाओ राउंड ऑफ एवरेज राउंड ऑफ करना वेरी गुड कीप इट अप Anirudh busy today How many are done? How many are done? All? Not you. Out of questions, how many completed? 2? 2 completed. 4, 3. Chalo, look at the board now. That the time is there today. Shall look at the board. Look at the board, Chinna. Everyone, look at the board. This is the one code. Look at the board, Chinna. Addition 1. This is the one code. Next is average code. It is the average. I am not writing any trend exception. Average code. Don't write it. Look at the board. First code, second code. What is the third code? Pi. Yeah? Next is the pi. Definition. Area of circle. Area circle. And radius equal to eval of input of enter the number, enter the radius. Then pi is equal to 3. Here also you can use math dot pi. Area equal to radius into pi. Print of the radius is colon what ma area. 3 functions. Next fourth function r square, pi r square, no? Pi into radius 2. Radius into 2. Next function क्या? Bill amount, breadth height. Bill amount nothing but with times tip percentage amount. Same question, na? Same. Fourth question. definition bill amount, bill pay, colon. Now I am taking what? Bill amount, enter the bill, tip percentage, enter the tip percentage. Now total bill, tip amount, bill amount into tip percentage, and print total bill equal to bill amount plus tip amount. Now print the total bill is the total bill is total bill. This you did, na? How many are completed this for? Many one. Any doubts? Online people, any doubts, ma? Now functions are ready. Now look at the board carefully here. Functions are ready. First function is what, ma? Addition 1. Second function, average. Third function, area of circle. Fourth function, bill pay. Fourth function is what? Bill pay. Now, inside function, anything is there. Chinna, inside function, anything is there. So this is called function without arguments. What this method is called? Function arguments ille. Kidhar? Bracket mein. So this is whenever you are writing, this is called functions without arguments. Note on it. Till now what we have done is called the above all functions are examples of function without arguments. Means when we define the function, we are not providing any arguments. We are not providing any arguments inside the bracket. Clear, among online people, everyone? Function without argument means the brackets are empty. Function without arguments. Online people say yes, ma. Let's put citing function with arguments. Function with arguments. You like function with arguments is most when you understand function without arguments best. Okay, if you understood function without arguments in the best way, you will like function with argument as most. I hope everyone understood function without arguments. Now look at the board. Look at the board, Chinna. Don't write it. First look at the board. Here also we need to follow some rules. Rules are very, very important. You should not skip the rules. First of all, tell me, in this function, how many variables are there? 1 or 2 or 3? What are those? N1, N2, add. Barabar. Very good. Now, first one is, in the function, Liko, in the function, how many variables are there? How many variables are there? Question number 1. The answer is 3. The answer is 3. In the function, how many variables are there? The answer is 3, Chinna. What are those? N1, N2, add. N1, N2, add. Super. Now tell me this answer. In the out of the 3 variables, how many are input variables? 1 or 2? What are those? Why you are saying it is input? Because user is providing what? Input. You are providing information. You are providing the information, that is called what? Input. No. In the function, how many input variables are there? Two. N1 comma N2. Last question. Now what is my next question? What is my next question? Bolo. Bolo, data scientist. In the function, how many variables? First question. In the function, how many input variables? Second question. Next one. In the function, how many output variable? क्या चाहिए? अरे कॉमन सेंस यूज करो ना भाई. पहले वेरिएबल, बाद में इनपुट वेरिएबल. नेक्स्ट क्या? कितना है? एक ही है. वो क्या? हाँ लिखो. In the function, how many output variables are there? That is called one. Add. You are super. You are telling very beautifully. In the function, how many variables are there? 3. N1, N2, add. In the function, how many input variables are there? 2, N1, N2. In the function, how many output variables are there? Only one. That is called add. Now, very, very important rule. Don't touch output variable. Don't touch output variables. Don't touch output variables. Easy? Jujubima Python. Rules only. Always follow the rules. If you don't follow the rules, Katam Jindai. Left side jana, right side mat jana. Right side जाए तो क्या होता? My life, my rules. काम नहीं करेगा उधर. Okay. चलो, now look at the board. Focus here, focus. Focus here. What I told, should I touch N1? Fine, na? Bolo. Should I touch N2? Fine, na? Should I touch add? Not fine. So क्या करना? Inside bracket N1 लिखो, comma N2 लिखो. Inside bracket क्या लिखो? N1, N2. You already touched N1, N2, so remove user say. Do it. Do it, ma. Inside bracket N1 comma N2. Inside bracket N1 comma N2. You already provided inside, so remove those two lines. Remove those two lines. Remove those two lines, N1 comma N2 variables, and remove those two lines. Remove, if you confuse, avoid the function name, give the different function now. Summation de do. Summation. What I am giving? Summation. Summation. Now this function inside, how many values are there, ma? 2 values. Now run it. This is same your random.rand into. Do you remember? Random.rand int में कितना values is there? हाँ, shift tab करो. Bracket open, bracket close. Shift tab करो चिन्ना. You will see N1 comma N2. Shift tab करो. You will see N1 comma N2. Same random.rand int only. Now how many values चाहिए? हाँ, values दे दो. 30 comma 40. पहले run करो माँ. Bro, run it. 17 line empty नहीं होता. Execute करो. Some people are still not running, huh? Shift tab करो माँ. 10 comma 20. Again, don't give N1 N2 ra. Are you giving N1 N2? Values pass करना. क्या pass करना? I know some of beautiful students are giving N1 N2. Now run it. Answer आ रहा है. This is called what? Function with arguments. Function. How many arguments are there? 2 arguments. चलो follow the average now. Do for average. Understood, online people, everyone? How we are writing? N1, N2 remove karo. Here inside में add karo and call karo. That's all simple. Now can you do successfully for average, everyone? Capital average function lolo. Capital average. Don't confuse. Again and again telling. Don't give the two functions same name. I will kill you. If you come again to me, sir, I am getting error. If I identify you are giving the same function name bar bar, change the function name. If you don't able to find the name, give your favorite actor name. Virat Kohli function, Rohit Sharma function, Chava function, like that. ये दे दो. Sumit, आजा चिना.
Number of units 20. Number of units.
That is a different, na?
Sir, you remove N and you say that units having also some comments. I don't want that sentence now. That's why the matrix.
Primary category this is one, huh? 1 minute. Huh? No. This is results means primary category means what is this actually? Predicted. How so many are there, na?
Yes.
Single are, na?
No, sir. It's in the middle.
In the middle,
Middle. Because we are when we are doing n Unix, na? Yeah, Unix. So
20,
it give
20 unique means
in our primary category. It's calculating that sentence also as a unit. As a unit. So that's why our prediction is not giving, accuracy is not giving perfectly. The extracting is not.
Can we write one code? Whenever you see inconvenience or discoverability or only this, extracting those only from the output. We can write that code and we can extract, no? Don't worry, you can leave and I will work on this. You can carry on. You have some work is there, no? You are saying? Extracting not doing properly because here.
This we are getting 35% accuracy.
Because what we did, na? Here while fetching the results, we are providing like this, na? Patterns. We need to say one more thing. What we need to say is, if you are able to see a discovery word also, you need to extract that.
Not consider forward.
Because a pakka discover will say one only will be able to see. Oh, inconvenience. There is no other thing, na? Discoverability, only one thing only, na? Only one thing only. And access and grounds, inconvenience, like that.
Again, it repeated discover.
This is another, no? Another one.
Result is coming like that, sir. Okay.
Another.
But like this is 35%.
I think we need to change the prompt, but
Corrected our result here, not and our accuracy will increase.
can we save this classification results now into somewhere now?
This classification result.
CSC, but किधर download होता ना? We don't know where it will download. Take care of. Don't worry, I'll take care of.
That Google Sheet.
We'll add that code now. Okay, China. Thanks. Done ना माँ? हाँ बोलो. Idea बोलो माँ. N1, N2, N3 क्या करना? Remove करना. कितना ऐड करना? N1, N2, N3. Then function is ready. Average 10 comma 20 only I given. What will come now if I run this? Error will come. What error will come? One parameter is missed. Very good. See, such a beauty. Average missing one required argument. That is what also it is giving. What is that answer? N3. Python is very simple, ma. Who said Python is hard? Okay. How many data reference? Now your work is without argument karna, with argument karna. Dono karna by tomorrow. We don't have time. We are already delaying our class with your performance. Are you getting? Now I am getting slowly confident. Your performance is increasing. I can speed up the class. If the class will go like this, it will go to 1 year class. Are you getting? So your performance is mainly important. My students are at most important for me. I am not like other trainers. बड़ा जल्दी जल्दी course finish करना, money लेना, another batch करना. ऐसे नहीं होता. If you are not able to perform well, if I feel that sense, I will take the time. If I feel like that you are doing better, I will sort of speed up karta. So that your job, you need to complete only 20 questions. 10 questions without argument, 10 questions without with argument, and so much you can do, ma. Understood, my online people? Thanks, ma Shanti. Function was always hard to me to understand. I will help you. Thanks, ma. Thank you so much. Thanks, ma. Thank you so much. Chalo, bye.